pressures. You should be ready at every moment. Yes, you did. Everybody did. You just screamed for a bunch of people. It was great. You posted on YouTube. I regret nothing.
Oh my goodness. All we need is another like Leah Michelle scary crying face as a gift.
Oh yeah, which I have to shout out. Thank you for mentioning it. It's one of my favorite. I don't know if the millennials that use the Giphy thing on your thing, but it's a very useful GIF of Leah Michelle doing this. It works for a lot of scenarios. Like I'm really sad. If something is so wonderful that it's giving me feels, then I can use that GIF. Anyway, now you know. The more you know.
How was your break?
It was good. You sounded great. This really, yeah, you sound beautiful tonight.
It's so travels.
I love this. You guys can see it. I don't know how many locals here come to this theater a lot.
There's stars.
Stars.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's like some.
You're like, shut up and sing, we know.
I was gonna say it's like Hogwarts.
We don't care about the stars.
See that? Yeah, just say Hogwarts, and it's like. What are we doing?
So, this next song is also from my album, and I asked Darren when we first started doing these shows if he would be so kind and sing it with me. And he said yes, and he learned this song, so we're going to sing it together. And this is called Get Away Car.
Change our names, make friends in new places, be anyone we want. Through the days, millions of faces, we're always holding on.
Rubbing pennies together, hours on the way down. Open eyes and cheap champagne. It's now or it's never, we hope it's forever. We ran away and leaving fingerprints behind. 'Cause if I got you, if you got me, we don't need nothing else at all.
How y'all?